Okay, I realize I'm making this video like a whole lot late in the game, but whatever. This past Saturday, while CVS had a big sale going on, I went and acted on it. They had their gallon 2% milk. I think they had any kind of milk really. But they had a gallon of milk on sale. And when you bought it, you got a $4 extra care buck. And then they had the Cheerios, or the General Mills whole grain General Mills cereal, 3 for $9. And I believe you got $1 back on that. And then you got Snickers. They did this thing where it was 75 cents, but you got a 75 cents off, or 75 cent extra care buck. So basically that was free. And I'm about to actually eat that after this video is being made, because I need me some chocolate right now. So what I basically did is I bought all this in one transaction, and then I rolled those the $4 one to 3 Roses, because they had them on sale for $2.99, and I rolled the $4 extra care buck to the Roses and only paid like $1 or something or another. And then I had the $1.75, and they had the Ajax on sale for, I believe, 89 cents or something like that, 88 cents. Anyway, and I grabbed 2 of those, and I used my $1.75 off, or my $1 extra care buck and my 75 cents off care buck, and I only paid 15 cents. So I ended up getting all this stuff right here, and I kid you not, plus the 3 Roses, right, for like $2. I'm gonna round it up to $2. And I saved like way over what I spent. So coupons are worth it, people. I actually didn't use any coupons in this transaction, but within clipping coupons from the newspaper every Sunday and looking at the sales ads, I found these sales, and it's totally worth it. So, and yes, that milk has already been drank, because milk doesn't last in my house, but get over it, people. There'll be more videos elsewhere if you want to see my receipts. Post a comment, and I promise you I will send you pictures of the receipts, but I currently right now do not have them in my possession. They're elsewhere right now. So enjoy, and I'll do another video next week, I guess. Okay, bye.